mga katropa, and welcome to our video where, as you can see, we are going to summon in one of the current banners as of now. Because as you can see, I have 700 Shinobite and I will be able to pull at least one in any of these summon. And guess what? Where are we going to summon? We are going to summon in Ashura. Yeah, you heard it right. I will summon for Ashura. Not because he is a must summon, but firstly, I have a hunch that Ashura is my destiny. Because as in the past years, I have observed that my account is somewhat behaving that it's only lucky when the banner is not a must summon. And since I got the LB in the free tickets, and in case I'll be shafted here, at least hopefully I got the 4-star. And at least I will be able to have the new jutsu of Ashura as my 5.5 anniversary representative. But I really have a hunch that I will be luckier. So let's see if my hunch was right. As you all know, I was shafted in Hashirama. I was shafted in Indra. I only got 4-star, but maybe my luck with Sasuke during the 6th anniversary will take effect here. In just one pull, I just got the EX ult and 4-star already. So without further ado, here we go. Let's see. So we're and waste Shinobite. Yeah, that's what are we going to do. We will waste Shinobites. Okay, so no more any rituals. We'll just summon in a normal way. Tingnan natin kung saan ako dadalhin ng katangahan kong ito. Ayan, basura, no? So, gumanti na. Ayun na. So, basura ang naging bunga ng aking katangahan. May lumabas sa 4-star. Nice. Kaso, hindi siya Ashura. 4-star uli. Nyak, si STL. Ayan na, 4-star uli. Mukhang mali nga ako ng desisyon. Maling-mali, no? Nakakahiyaya. Ito na ata ang nakakahiyang summoning video ko. Ha! EX ult! Sino kaya ito mga katropa? Sino kaya ito? Yak! Maling Otsutsuki Kadiri. Okay, so hindi si Ashura. Ang destiny ko. Destiny ko talaga ma-shafted sa anniversary. Diyos ko naman. Ano ba to? Diyos ko. May gulay. Grabe. Malingot Sutsuki. 4-star. Hindi mo lang binigay yung 4-star ni Ashura. Diyos ko naman. In the history of summoning, ito na yata ang pinaka-kahiya-hiya kong pagsasamon. My God. EX ult. It's a rainbow. It's an Otsutsuki, but it's wrong. Hindi man, bagay, wala naman dito yung new EX ult ni Momoshiki, pero saklap. So, in a way, parang nag-work din yung luck ko kay STL. Dahil kung maalala nyo, in just one pull, nakuha ko yung EX ult ni STL nun and the 4-star. But, in this case, yan, nakakuha tayo ng 4-star and EX ult, but it's a wrong banner. Kahiya-hiya mga katropa. No, katangahan ang aking ginawa. So, ilang mga katropa, that's all. Kita-kits.
Thousands of tears later. Eventually.